Ciao, benvenuto a tutti. Welcome to Siena, Cool Trip Walks. We are in the El Campo, and today's episode is going to be a little bit different for us as we are in the high season. I'm just going to be snipping this together, but I hope you enjoy the walk. I am your host, I am Tom. And as you can see, we have preparations for next week's El Palio, the horse race they hold in this very square. We're just a week early. You can see the clay is there, the dirt. And as we're in the high season, I've had some trouble filming just because there's so many people. But how can you resist filming this location? Alright, I'm going to complete our lap here. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Hi. There we go. Try to get a good view up here. Oh, you can see the Duomo over the buildings there. The bell tower. Siena has a very famous Duomo. And if you're new to Cool Trip Walks, this is a channel meant for virtual treadmill walks and or travel research. These are narrated walks. Again, I am your host, Tom. And if you haven't enjoyed our content on the channel, please go feel free to explore. Leave your comments in the discussion. I do like interacting with everybody. And every year, twice a year, they hold the El Palio race. And it looks quite intense. You can see they've got the stands up for the spectators.
E sì che veniamo tutti per il culo. E poi torna.
And even when they're not set up for the El Palio, the Campo is quite the famous square where everybody just comes to relax, enjoy the people watching. Get another view of the town hall from here, town palace, and the famous clock tower. Had a little bit of rough weather here for the past few days, so I'm glad we can film some today. For those viewers that don't appreciate narrated walks, please feel free to use this as virtual scenery. Help you reach your goals on your walking. Cue up that playlist and enjoy. Now, I did see some detail here on the Palazzo I'm going to try and show. Now the shield in the center here with the crown on top has 6 balls on it, and we learned on our Florence tour that similar crests were the sign of the Medici family, very influential in the Renaissance, if not the Renaissance family. I don't know if they influenced here in Siena or not. I'd have to look up on the Wikipedia, but my guess is that might be theirs. I'm sure they did. They had a wide influence here in Tuscany and Italy and the world. Wow, what a magnificent place. All right, I think we will pick it up at the next stop. I'll see you then. Welcome back. Ciao. We are here at the Duomo of Siena, and I'm going to walk around here and give you kind of a good close view of things. The weather has broken, so we've got a beautiful sunny day here in Siena. It is still sort of late, heading into late June. It's 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll put the Celsius on, but it should be a little bit around 20 degrees Celsius. And we're just going to walk around. If you've been to Siena and you have anything to share, please feel free to add to the discussion on the page. And if you like this channel, please feel free to hit that like button and the subscribe button. It lets us know that we're valued. Hopefully you can get some entertainment while you're doing your virtual workout, well, your real workout on your treadmills, hopefully. It's beautiful marble. Our Florence tour guide mentioned As I mentioned, we're in the high season here in Italy, so we couldn't do it any other way with the school schedules. So there are a lot of people here, even on a midweek visit. See if I can focus on the detail here. I think the brightness is going to get me on this. Now up here on the top of this column we have the wolf, and is it Romulus and Remus that were the founders of Rome. So it's a very Roman symbol. And we're going to get around the front here so you can see the spectacular front of this cathedral. The lighting for this view is just amazing. See all the colors here in the marble. Traffic. Some spectacular lion gargoyles up there. Magnificent doors. They don't build doors like that anymore. Even just walking through San Gimignano and Volterra yesterday, the old doors with a gigantic, by our standards in the US, door knockers are magnificent. There's a good view of the top of the dome up there. The sun definitely has the golden top. Now, I didn't see much in the way of ZTL here in this area, but I'm sure it exists, or I didn't see it on the road we were on. But there are permitted vehicles that can come through, and you do have to be on alert for them. What a magnificent day.